from Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. So basically, I have joined this QSpiders in the month of May. So it's been 7 to 8 months. So firstly, I have joined with a Java course, Jagannath sir. So later on, I have completed with manual testing, Tarun sir. So these two faculties are very good. They were good in teaching, good in projects also. They were training with projects also. So what I meant to say is, I have joined in, I got placed in NPEC Solutions after this 8 months of struggle. So they were asking in the first round, technical round. They have taken second round also with manager and third round also with HR. So after completion of these 3 rounds, I have been selected with 2.2 LPA in QA role. So first of all, I want to thank Jagannath sir and Tarun sir and also Yogi sir also. He was trained with SQL. So these 3 faculties are awesome, good. I am not completed. Before completing of course only I have placed. They were good in teaching also. So these are the things I have learned from QSpiders Punjagutta. This is very good institute. You can join with irrespective of the things or irrespective of the stream or anything from your background. So just be one thing only. You have to be consistency. Daily, regularly come to classes. Regularly do the practice. The thing consistency only will goes to the job placement. So that's it. Thank you guys.